Jody Marketplace Boutique. And today it's my birthday. Yay! It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Okay, so today I have a video and people keep asking me how I ship things. And some people have said to me, I really want to sell on eBay, but I'm afraid of shipping. It's so easy. Now, I probably should have put it on a tripod, and maybe I'll do that next time, but I just kind of held my camera and showed you how I ship my things, and I actually enjoy shipping. So this is what was sold. I'll give you the list here. Okay, so these things are going out. Okay, so here is a necklace, and I think I'll ship it in one of these little boxes I just got. Okay, and then I just wrapped it in some bubble wrap, and I am going to take some tissue paper and wrap that up next. Okay, so here's that little box, and I'm going to put it in a clear bag and then a poly bag, and I'm going to ship it like that. Okay, so there we go. And I'm just going to put it in a poly bag, and this, I just use sandwich bags. They're clear plastic bags, and I get them from Walmart. I do have other sizes, and I get them from a wholesaler. I buy like huge quantities, or if somebody has like a business that is going out of business and they have extra stuff, then I buy those up whenever I can. And that's been the cheapest, easiest way, and the stuff is really good quality too. So this protects it in case it gets like dinged, or you know, something goes through the plastic, or the weather's really bad. And in Michigan it's always bad, so usually. So this way it just kind of protects it a little bit more, and then I'll put it on poly, put the label on top, and it'll be ready to go. Okay, so here it's in a poly. I always write thank you on it because I would just like that. And I put some tape on it. I put extra clear tape just where it might get kind of banged up a little bit in shipping. I've never used these kind of boxes before, so hopefully they go okay. If not, I will have to figure that one out. Alright, there it goes. Here's some John Deere ornaments. I sold them for $22.77. And I'm going to put them in this box with some green tissue paper because it matches John Deere, and I like to match. Here we go. Okay, so here they are in their little box, and I'm going to wrap this up, and I'm going to bubble wrap it, and probably tissue again with a little cute sticker. I actually like shipping. I've heard a lot of people complaining about shipping, but I think I just have so much fun with all my little supplies, you know, making everything real matchy and cute. I try anyway. Some of them aren't so cute, but this one's cute. So here I have it bubble wrapped, and okay, just a little tip I'm seeing here with your countertops. If you're cutting a box, put something down. These were actually brand new, and I just started using this a couple months ago. I scratched them up so badly. See that? And it's all from packaging. So if you're cutting boxes, definitely put something down to protect your areas or your cabinets. I have a full kitchen in my basement. I use that countertop, but I have completely trashed it. So my husband just looked at me like, oh my goodness. Didn't really say much, but I could tell he was so disappointed, and so my, excuse my man voice, I get up very early in the morning to ship packages. Okay, so here's the bubble wrap. I just kind of go around it twice. Okay, so here is a huge roll of plastic bags, and I'm not exactly sure what they are. I did get this in a wholesale lot from a place that was closing out, and so I'm not sure where they came from. You might be able to find these in a food place, or sometimes I can find these at food places. These are nice and big. These are bigger than the sandwich ones because by the time I wrapped it, it was like a really big ball. So I'm gonna go with that. Okay, here's the final product. I put it in a bigger bag. I used big bubbles, so it kind of turned out bigger. I put a little thank you in there, and this is just an eBay bag. It's bigger than a 12 by 12. And then I just fold it over. I'm going to tape this up, and it is going out. I have the sweater. It's 2 sweaters going together. I think I'll just put the amount at the top because I need to really blast through these. Here's the first sweater. Sorry about the noise in the background. I always have the TV on or YouTube and watching all of you fabulous people. Okay, next step. Okay, second sweater. It's OSO, and this is from, oh, it used to be Evine. It's something else now. Here are the 2 packages. I'm going to put them like this and hope I can find a box or see what the cheapest way to ship it is. Oh, and I'm going to put it in a bag. These bags are from, so these bags, they're small. They came from Sam's Club. Now, I did not have a good experience at Sam's Club, so I have canceled my membership. Okay, this is like a big roll. And I just painted, so I think I'll probably throw the first layer away because it looks like some drywall dust got on here. Alright. Okay, here's the next step. So I put these in priority bag, and these are free through the post office. So when anything's over a pound, I always use priority. And then I always use, the free materials first. They're great. And I really like using priority mail. So, okay, so here are 2 postcards, and the cheapest way to ship these is eBay standard, and I think it was like 73 cents or so. I just put some cardboard, like a really thin cardboard box, and cut like the ends parts off. I really need to buy some postcard envelope sleeves. Make sure that you write do not bend on it, because sometimes they just don't get it. They just don't get it. Sometimes there's certain people that will just bend your things. That would be good. So there's actually 2 really thin pieces of cardboard in here. I suggest getting the envelopes. You can get them on eBay, and also Amazon has them too. So next we have a LuLaRoe, or LuLaRoe. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. Size 2X. Really cute top, and this one's going to be next, and this is going to go first class in an envelope, and that'll be the cheapest way to send it. Okay, so here the top is all packed up, and I'm going to now put it in a bag, and I'm going to use one of the sandwich bags from Walmart. They're plastic, and then I'll tape the top. And this is going first class. Okay, so now I have this package. The top is all packed in here, and I have these little thank you. They're really small. I bought these from eBay, and it was like eBay China. I'll never do it again. They were supposed to be 3 inches long. Let me show you here. This sticker is supposed to be 3 inches long. So I just kind of use them on my packages, or I write like thank you, and I'll write the name sometimes. But that's the only thing I can think of using these for. So if you have like really little ones and you're like, what in the world? They're so small I can barely see them. But I mean, they are very cute if you can see them. Okay, and here we have 2 sweatshirts, and they're the same. And my kids got these for Christmas and they just didn't want them. So perfect thing is to just list them on eBay. Okay, so I'm going to clear bag these, and this is how I wrapped them. And they're huge and bulky, but they're really lightweight. So I'll have to see probably if I can get a really big bag or a box. They will probably go priority mail because I'm sure they're over a pound with both of them. So probably should order some more bigger bags. Okay. Okay, so I have them bagged up in this clear bag, and I buy this by the roll. I get this from Gordon Food Service, and I don't know, it's probably maybe $10. I'm not sure. I'm guessing. That's a total guess. And the roll was pretty big. So they've come out to these huge bags. Just to let you know, now this is really kind of strange. Somebody did give me a negative once, or a neutral, for putting it in this bag. I don't know why, because this is protecting the package just another layer. And it's clean and it's new, so I didn't quite get that one, but I'm going to still continue to use these bags because they work out good just to protect everything. You know, in case something gets punctured or wet, this definitely protects it, and I do not think it looks bad. Okay, so here is another one, and I did not videotape this one. This one I bought at an auction, and it was a live auction, and usually I can persuade people to help me out, or my kids, or my husband, if I buy them dinner. So I get extra help. We all kind of have fun at live auctions, and, well, they do the muscle work. I just do the raising my hand. Yes, they can last all day. So this auctioneer only goes for a couple hours at the most, which is fine. They could have probably really gone more, but I think they get kind of bored. They are not doing auctions anymore, which is sad, because I guess they weren't making enough, and I told them I completely understand. And they told me that they have a online auction now, so I am buying from them online. However, in the winter, it is so bad here in Michigan, and I do not want to go outside. I do not like getting cold or wet. So, and it's pretty dangerous here. Like today is a blizzard on my birthday. So it's one of those days where I'm cozying up inside with a nice cardigan and my cup of coffee, and I'm just going to do what I want today. Here is my last one. Now, $5.99, I know it's not a lot. However, I bought massive boxes, like so much. I filled my whole truck with these huge boxes of linens. And I paid $6 per box. And this just was out of one of those boxes. So yes, it only sold for $5.99, but I had a huge 40% off sale at the end of the year. So I was okay with that. I'm okay with that. Somebody's getting a really good deal. If you have Christmas things to sell, make sure to get them listed. Doesn't matter what time of year it is, because these things do sell all year around. I sell Christmas almost every day. I am not kidding. It doesn't matter, and I try to always get the things up as soon as I can when I'm buying stuff, unless it's like a big estate clean out or a huge haul. I will go through everything before it comes in, and then I put everything in bankers boxes, and it gets stored on a wall of racks. So that's how I do my things. In winter, I just pull a box down and then I list those items. So that's what works for me. Right now, I'm in the middle of a snow blizzard. Okay, everybody, have a really amazing, awesome day on my birthday. Bye, everybody.